Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know many things are very difficult. To be a YouTuber is not easy, and right now you have chosen a niche. Maybe you are engaging on faceless YouTube channels, you are creating your revenge stories or any stories at all, but you don't have experience. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you what you need to do. Without any experience, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through to show you one of the best simple steps you can use to start. As time goes on, you can add any effect that you want, you can add anything that you want, but I'm going to show you the simple steps on how you can get started without any experience. But all you need to have is, you need to have your CapCut Pro version and your story. The first thing you need to do is make sure your storyline is ready. If you are a revenge storyteller, your content is, your niche is revenge story niche. Okay, this video is for you. The first thing that you need to do is create your story. Keep your story ready. That is number one. Keep your story ready. Then number two is make sure your CapCut is pro version. Because the reason why is there are many voice narrators you can use, but one of the best voice sound pitch that is very good that I'm going to show you in this video is only available in CapCut Pro version. So you need only two things. You need your story to be ready and you need CapCut only. Follow me step by step, and I'm going to show you one of the things that you need to do without any experience, without any stress. In this video, you're going to get it for free. So the first thing is get your story ready. Once your story ready, you proceed to CapCut. Once you open your CapCut, the first thing you need to do is import your background. When you import your background, you set your background ready, how many minutes that you want to do your video, you set it to that time limit. Another thing that you need to do is you need to go to sticker. You look on the CapCut, there is a place written sticker, this place, you click sticker. In this sticker, you need to add your voice diagram pitch. Okay, this thing I'm showing you right now, then you add it. Okay, in the same sticker, you need to add your subscribe button, put it over to the screen, wherever you want it to be, any corner that you want it to be, so that people can see your subscribe logo. When they see it, they can subscribe to your channel. Okay, another one is you need to add effect. You need to add effect to make it. Maybe you can add fire effect, you can add sky step effect, you can add snow effect, you can add fluorescence effect, you can add light effect, just to make your video look cinematic, you know. Just add something to make, just to add like a kind of fragrance on your videos. Okay, after adding effect, now this is where the work is. You need to create your voiceover. You need to create your voiceover. Okay, then you need to click caption. When you click caption, below you will see where there is written add caption. Click add caption. You understand? When you click add caption, it will take you to this interface. It will take you to this interface. But in this interface, it is only allowed for 3,000 words only. So if you have more than 3,000 words, you need to do this over and over again. When you do the first one, you download it to your phone. You do the second one, if you still have more long storyline, you do the second one, download it to your phone. after you finish all your voice narrator, after you have input all of them, you download them to your phone, then you go back to CapCut again to import all of them together to arrange it one after the other. Then your storyline is ready. Right now we are going to continue with this one. Now this particular phase right now requires only 3,000 words. So what you need to do, copy your story, paste in this particular column right now. When you paste it, if it is more than 3,000 words, you have to reduce it to 3,000 words. So after 3,000 words, then you need to click this place, apply. Then when you click this place, it will take you there. You will see where they write voiceover. You see this place right now. Then you click this place. It will take you to places. A lot of voice narrators are here. If you want Spanish, if you want Arabic, if you want English, if you want any voice note that you need at all, is here. You need to check the one that is best for you. You need to test them one by one. That's why I told you you need CapCut Pro version. Okay, that's why I said CapCut Pro version can give you one of the best. But for me, in my own recommendation, if your protagonist is a lady, okay, if your protagonist is a lady, you need to use Maggie. For me, I love using Maggie. Maggie voice and the pitch sound is very, very cinematic. Then you look for Maggie, okay? Maggie, M-A-G-G-I-E. When you see Maggie, you click Maggie. When it's being applied, then you click next. It will bring you to this place. It says split or don't split. Then what you need to do is you click split. Then you will allow it to load, okay, to apply. Then after applying, your voice is ready. Let's listen to your voiceover you created.
Hello, dear friends. Today, let's make a chocolate cake. First, prepare flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, eggs, butter, and other ingredients. Mix them together and knead them into a fine dough. Next, let the dough rise until it becomes fluffy and soft. Then, scoop the cake batter into a baking pan and add the pre-made stuff. Finally, when the sweet cake comes out of the oven, exuding its tempting aroma, everyone gathers around to enjoy it together. The joy in their hearts is hard to express in words. Come and try making your own chocolate cake.
I hope this thing is very, very easy. I hope you understand it. If you don't understand, you have to go over it again and watch this video from the beginning to the end. I'm doing this video to guide you on step by step on what you need to do to get your story video ready. Maybe you're finding it so difficult to get started because you don't have the enough tools to get started, or you don't have experience to get started. I believe with this video, it will help you to get started. Please don't watch this video alone. Share it to anyone that you know that they want to start but they don't know how to start. This video will help you to get started. As time goes on, you can upgrade yourself to any levels, or you can add anything that you want to add. But at this level right now, with no experience, this is okay for you. With this, you can get started, create your channel and get started. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Jackie Patra. Don't forget, subscribe, comment and like. If this video gives you what you want, if this video is good, tell me on the comment section that this video is good. Even if it is bad, tell me on the comment section that it's bad. But don't forget to share my video to the people that you know that find it so difficult to get started. Thank you and see you in the next video.